interested in cooking, come with me. Wait, set. First of all, stay home, stay safe. Come. Hi all, here we are. I know from small children to elder people, everybody likes Manchuria. So let's go make it. And first of all, and mainly, please do not order food online in apps like Zomato and Swiggy. And because the outside condition is not stable yet, so we can make food at our home, and I will be posting cooking videos and new videos. Please share, like and subscribe and click the bell icon. Let's go make it. So I will tell you the ingredients which you need to and here we have the ingredients, guys. And here is the garam masala. I have took 6 spoons, and you can take as per 1 teaspoon is equal to 1%. So, and next we have the corn flour, which is usually in Telugu called mekka jonna pindi. Okay, it's same as like garam masala, 1 tablespoon per person. I have took here 6 tablespoon, and as well as red chili powder. As you can see, I have took 3 tablespoons. Chili powder you can just adjust as per your taste, guys. And finally, and 2 big finely chopped onion, and red, I will show you, green chili finely chopped. It's as much you want. And here is a salt as per taste, and you can use just tissues, and you can take the tissues to remove the extra oil. And guys, always keep an nice dry cloth. If your hands are wet, you can just wash it, because we don't need wet hands. And here I have took two packets of ketchup, and here are the plates to serve, and let's go make it. So the first step, guys, add it, then sorry guys, add the corn flour and the maida. Guys, please do not add water, or else it will ruin your whole Manchuria. And because I am saying to not add water, because cabbage already has water in it, so please don't. And guys, I have made a small stiff dough, as you can see. And I did not add water, guys. I'm again saying it, I did not add water. So let's begin. Let's make Manchuria balls. Okay guys, let's make small ball like shape balls. And guys, it's you can make any size, or you can any size. Like I am making small, and just I'm making small, guys. You can make any size. I will introduce to other 2 as soon as possible. Stay tuned. I am now going to fry it. I'm now going to fry these. Please see what I. See guys, I have made so many Manchuria balls from the dough. You can make anything, and how many balls you want, you can make. And see this, guys, I have made a small one because I have 3 little cute cousins, Ananya, Adya and Amulya. Today one of them are going to visit. Her name is Adya. She will come to my home and we are starting, guys. For the next step to fry the bowls, take a pan like this or any pan, if you're convenient, and you need oil, guys. And take a bowl filled with like keep as I did, so that the extra oil will get absorbed. So I'm just pouring a little bit of oil. Pour. Guys, please be careful. And that's it, guys. And wait, guys. Yeah. And let's on the flame. Once again, guys, I'm just taking the torch. And guys, it's on. Let the pan get high heated. And guys, our pan had heated up. And guys, children, please take care. Please be aware that the oil can sprinkle on you and it will burn your skin. Please be careful and take your help of your parents. And guys, seriously, I'm taking help of my sister, elder sister. So you can also take. And guys, I'm frying them. Please be careful while putting. And guys, please don't attach them, or else your Manchuria balls must be separated and you like to eat separately. So just fry them like this. And guys, please be careful and keep the flame on low. And see, guys, the Manchuria balls are just getting fried. And guys, it must get like this, brownish and goldy. And then you just do like this to get out the extra oil, and then pour into. Be careful, or else it will split in your hand. And let's again do the same in our. And guys, pour from the sides. If you pour from the middle, it will just sprinkle on your skin. Please be careful. I am warning because I have already did like that, and I got just hurt. I got very badly. So please be careful. And guys, in my after this step, guys, we'll make sauce. Guys, in the sauce, lots of sprinkle are gonna come up and sprinkle on your hand. Please be far. So, and guys, see this, guys, again. Do the same with all the Manchurian balls. Please do the same as I'm doing. And again, please be careful. Okay, guys. Here is the bowl full with Manchuria balls. And the next process, guys, please, you children do not do, because elders must do, because it's very dangerous, and it this time it will compulsory sprinkle on your hand. Please be careful. And let's go make it. Okay, guys, now for the next step, to make a sauce, take a tawa like this as I took, and the ingredients we must need now are oil, as you can see, and finely chopped onion, and a spoon like this, because the balls are round, so I took like that to make faster, and ketchup and the chili which finely chopped. So I'm now oning the stove. Now switch on the stove and keep on high flame or medium flame, it's your wish. And then take this, if you have like this kind of oil, you can just pour like this as I'm doing. Pour from the side, guys. Okay, see how I'm doing, so that the pan gets heat up. And if you have like this, you can just do how I did. I'm doing once again. And then, guys, If you do not have this kind of can or oil in the oil, please take a spoon and just keep 2 to 3 tablespoons. And guys, let the pan heat up for 2 to 3 minutes, 5 minutes or then when the pan heat up, just add the red chili. As you can see, guys, please, small children, do not do it because it can hurt you. Let the elder and guys, let the pan heat up for 2 to 3 minutes, 5 minutes or then when the pan heat up, just add the red chili. As you can see, guys, please, small children, do not do it because it can hurt you. And then again, finally, just do this and just quickly mix it, guys. Please, it will spring. If the please on the exhauster, guys, and please, and if the oil is less and the onion and the green chili is more, it will definitely sprinkle, guys. Now now see, as you can see, it's just 1 minute, guys. I will show you. The oil has changed to like this. Usually it will not, so I'm just removing it to make it perfect. Then just fastly add the ketchup. I am adding in my home so many others, so I'm just adding a packet of it. If you are making it dry, please ensure that there is less water. I am going to show you how it is. Just guys, it's piping hot and it will change like this. And guys, please be careful, it's sprinkling, and just add water and just give a mix, good turn. And guys, our sauce is ready. If you want it dry, add less water. Now just add the Manchurian balls or your cabbage pakoda. Let's add it and just give it a good, very mix, good mix. And guys, it's ready, it's perfect. As you can see, hi guys, we have done it. You can garnish it with anything. It's if you like it. And guys, please, if you like it. Hi guys, we have done it. You can garnish it with anything. It's if you like it. And guys, please, if you like it.